Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to download Bandicam, the free version. Go Bandicam, not C-O-M, wrong one, sorry, Bandicame, Bandicam.com, and go to official site, hit free download, and download that there. And if you want to edit a video, hold on, you'll have to click on that and hit edit, which I'll make a video right now to do it. And you hit edit, hit yes, and download Bandit video cutter. Well, I already downloaded it, so I want to do this again. You click on this, open when done. It won't take as long, but it's according to if you have good internet or not. And hit yes, hit OK, hit next, hit I agree, next. Alright. Yeah, let's go to C. Alright. Okay, hit install. Until that gets done installing, which will take as long. Hit run Bandicam, hit finish. Install complete successfully. And yeah, there you go. Like and subscribe to this video. This is the unturned one and out.